Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to replace your LiftMaster garage light bulb. If you notice, I was hitting a button and the light was not coming on. So, only thing you have to do is just gently pull down the plastic covering that's over the light bulb. And then you're just going to remove the old light bulb. Once you have removed the old light bulb, of course, you are going to grab you another light bulb. Once that light bulb is in, the new light bulb, you are going to place the covering right back over it, and then you should hear a click. It lets you know that it is tightly secure. And basically, y'all, that's it. This is how you replace your LiftMaster garage light bulb. Simple as that.